Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, Chief Minister Sindh, Rana Tanveer Hussain, Minister for Defence Production, Khwaja Muhammad Asif, Minister for Defence, Services Chiefs, Excellencies, Major General Aga Masood Akram, DG Depot, distinguished guests from brotherly countries, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and have the privilege of witnessing the Ideas 2016. I thank the organizers for inviting me to this event. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished guests on the occasion of the opening ceremony of Ideas 2016. The presence of a large number of foreign delegates and participants is extremely encouraging. I appreciate the efforts of the organizers for making Ideas 2016 such a successful event. This exhibition is a reflection of the excellence and professionalism